Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and to Monday Motivation. My name is Bianca. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are new on your weight loss journey, or if you're starting again, trying to figure it out, I would love to have you subscribe here because I do these videos weekly. I share tips, that I've learned throughout my journey. I'm still doing my thing. I'm down over 70 pounds, but I'm definitely trying to lean out more. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about carb cycling. I'm trying it out. This is actually my first day, so you're going to be on this journey with me. I'm going to let you know about it. I'm also going to show you a full day of eating. This is going to be my low carb day. So there are different ways to carb cycle. You could do low, medium, and high carb days. People tailor it to how many days a week they want to do the lower to the higher. For me, for fat loss and what I've learned through research, it's best to do like 2 days on, 1 day off. So I'll do 2 days low carb and then 1 day medium to high carb. And that doesn't mean on the high day of carbs you're gonna like eat a full pizza, even though I would love to. But basically my low carb days, today's Monday and Tuesday, I'm pretty much going to be cutting out most carbs that I would usually eat, even in my healthier meals. So the brown rice, stuff like that, that I would usually just have with my dinner or my lunches, I'm not going to be having any of that. And then on my higher carb days, I'm going to incorporate that stuff back in. So I'm not really like doing too much. I'm kind of sticking to my diet, but on the lower carb days I am cutting out those carbs and doing substitutes of like higher proteins and fat, because that is what's going to keep you full, like healthy fats obviously. But when you're cutting out carbs, obviously that's like where a lot of your fullness comes from. So you don't want to feel like you're starving yourself. You definitely don't want that hungry feeling at all, because that's when you start to hold on to fat. And a lot of people kind of, I think, are confused about carb cycling and like, why don't you just cut carbs altogether? Like, isn't that what you want if you want to just cut carbs out of your diet? But actually carb cycling is way better for you. It's going to help you see the results that you want way faster, because your body gets used to whatever you give it. That's why we love junk food. If you eat junk food all the time, you're going to want junk food all the time. But seriously, if you cut out carbs totally out of your diet, like, yes, you will like lean down, but you'll also hit a plateau with that as well, because you've taken it out. Your body's not used to using that as fuel. Basically, when we eat carbs, our body burns that off. And when we take the carbs out, our body doesn't have that to burn off to like, use as energy, so it starts to use our fat, which is great. So these low carb days, we're burning fat, where then we're putting the carbs back in to kind of throw our body off again, and then we're doing the burnout again. So it's really going to help you lose fat in the most consistent way possible, and it's really going to just like show you the results that you want. I'm hoping. This is my first time trying it, so you'll be able to see with me. But today was day 1 of my low carb day. So like I said, Monday and Tuesday low carb day, Wednesday I'll put the carbs back in, Thursday, Friday, no carbs, Saturday, carbs back in, and then continue as on there. I think you can have like a free day if you want to. I don't know. We're going to kind of see how this week goes, but I definitely want to stay as consistent as possible for at least a few weeks, because that's how I'm really going to be able to see results. It's not something you're going to do for like a day. You don't want to flip-flop back and forth like low, high, low, high. You want to do at least 2 days of low and then go back to the high day. So today, for my low carb day, I kicked it off with my breakfast. I just made scrambled eggs pretty much with spinach. I used coconut oil to coat the pan, 0 calories, 0 carbs, 2 eggs, and spinach. I will insert clips of all of my meals because I did film them, me eating them or me making them, so I will put that in here for each meal. But that was breakfast. And then when I got to work, I did have a snack a few hours later, which was carrots and hummus. Hummus does have a few carbs. Like I'm saying, I'm not cutting carbs like 1,000% out, but I only had like literally I think like 2 or 3 carbs. So that's still really low, and this is a low carb day, so that's good. So carrots and hummus was my snack. And then after that, I had a salad, and I made it with lettuce. What else was in it? Tuna. That's good for like protein and like, a little bit of fat, like to like, just keep me full and satisfied. Also, I did a hard-boiled egg, which is also great protein. When you're cutting out the carbs, you do want to amp up the protein and stuff, like I said, to keep you full, and some tomatoes. And then also this Newman's dressing, is that what it is? I think so. You'll see it in the video. But it was like only like 50 calories. It's a light dressing, 1 carb, I think, for like 2 tablespoons, and I probably used maybe 3 tablespoons, maybe 4, maybe. But you know what I mean? My carb intake's still very low. And then I had some almonds after that a few hours later before dinner for my snacks. So that was my meals throughout the day, throughout work. I have not ate dinner yet, but I know what I'm going to eat. I'm going to do chicken and vegetables, no carbs. Like I would usually do chicken, vegetables, and like brown rice or something like that at night, but I'm cutting out the carbs today, so that's gonna be my meal. I'll insert a clip of that. I've not ate it yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. And that's pretty much it for the low carb day. That's just the meals I put together. I felt full throughout the day, I felt satisfied, so hopefully I'll feel as good as the week progresses. But then going into my higher carb day, I'll definitely film that as well, film my meals. I'm basically going to be incorporating like oatmeal back in, still cut oats. That's the kind of oatmeal you want to get. That's going to be the healthiest version. But stuff like that, I'll be incorporating the rice back in, maybe some beans, like just other stuff that I took out of the diet the last few days, but still on the healthier side. You know, like I said, I'm not going to go out and eat a pizza or a burger. I know you could do like some like whole grain pasta, stuff like that. You can incorporate that on your higher carb days, but you just want that fluctuation so your body continues to burn that fat off. I hope that this video helped, and I will definitely see you guys back pretty soon. I will have that higher carb day video up as soon as I finish that up. And then, like I said, if you're not already subscribed and you are on your weight loss journey, I would love to have you here. I do these videos weekly for you. I also have all my social media linked below, my email if you want to talk one-on-one. I'm just trying this out, so hopefully it goes well. I really want to lean out this year. I've lost a lot of weight, and like I said, I kind of have hit a plateau, so I definitely want to try something new. And if you try this as well, or if you've tried it, let me know how you like it. Let me know what other diets have lost or worked for you for fat loss and for weight loss. And yeah, I'll just catch you guys back in my next video.